What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to upload HD, high-quality videos on TikTok so your content looks sharp instead of blurry or compressed. First, open the TikTok app and start uploading your video like you normally would. After selecting your video and tapping Next, look for the option called More Options on the posting screen. Inside More Options, find Allow High-Quality Uploads and make sure it's turned on. When it's enabled, the toggle will turn green. This setting tells TikTok to upload your video at higher quality, and it works in most cases. Once that's turned on, finish posting your video as usual. For a lot of creators, this alone fixes the quality issue. If your videos are still not uploading in HD, there's one more important setting to check: Data Saver. Go back to the main TikTok screen and tap Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and select Data Saver. If Data Saver is turned on, TikTok will intentionally lower video quality to save data. Make sure Data Saver is turned off. This allows TikTok to upload and stream videos at the highest possible quality. As a bonus tip, always upload videos in the best quality you can. Use a vertical format, export in high resolution, and avoid re-uploading heavily compressed files. And that's it. That's how you upload high-quality HD videos on TikTok and avoid blurry uploads. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.